Welcome to the training module for the Ameripak horizontal wrapper. This module will explain the setup and operations of the wrapper. When starting your workday, start by turning on the machine and letting it warm up as soon as you arrive on site. Once the main menu comes up, select the blue highlighted section for heat. Then press the On button in the next dialog window. Press Main to return to the main menu. You can press the heater button again to go back to the settings and see the set points. To make a change in the set point, simply press the highlighted number under the SP button and type the correct set point in the keypad dialog box on the right. For starting, it's best to set the fin wheels to 285 and the crimpers to 310. Some settings for different sandwiches are preset. You can find those presets by selecting Menu, then Products, and you will see the different preset products available. To select a preset, press the Load button. By pressing the Setup button, you will see the settings required for each individual product. Changing the settings is done by turning knobs on the machine. In the Setup menu, note that the film width tells you which size film to load onto the Ameripak. The vertical form box position can be set by adjusting the vertical measure, making sure that the line on the rod lines up with the measures that are engraved in the vertical arm. The horizontal form box position is set by adjusting the horizontal arm. Loosen the nut and set the arm back to the correct measurement. The width of the form box is set by adjusting the knob until the scale is set to the correct measurement. The nose plates and control plates are numbered, so make sure that the plates in the machine are the correct ones based on the presets. These plates screw in and out via the knobs. To make adjustments on the vertical and horizontal positions on the film guide roll, simply loosen the handle and make the vertical adjustment or the horizontal adjustment to the guide roll. To load film on the bar, remove the outer cone and load the film onto the shaft. Make sure that the film is the proper width, and also make sure that the film comes over the top when it dispenses. Drape the weight over the middle and lift the roll up so that the core rests on the cone. Replace the outer cone back onto the shaft and lock it in place with the core on the cone. To thread the film, look at the diagram and bring the film around the back side of the first roller, then over the top of the second roller. Bring the film into the form box, reaching through to pull it from the other side. Pull the film all the way through the nose plate up to the control plate. Press the Start button below the shaft to run some of the empty film through the machine. If the speed is too fast or too slow, you can make an adjustment by going to the Adjust button and adjusting the packages per minute rate on the first screen. Note that in manual mode, you will need to keep the Start button pushed in for the machine to run. When your product is set and ready to wrap, press the Auto button on the screen. When you press Start, you will only need to press it once for the machine to run continuously. To stop the machine, press the Stop Reset button. If you have an emergency, press the Emergency Stop button. To release the e-stop, twist the knob and it will pop out. After releasing the e-stop, you will also need to clear the fault screen on the interface by pressing the Reset button. Prior to running product through the machine, you will also need to set the guides on the running board. There should be a little bit of room on either side of the product.